Hello everyone, my name is Nishra and today we are going to talk about how digital electronics is transforming the fitness industries, an exploration of technology and their applications. Firstly, let's have a look at the introduction to digital electronics in fitness. What is the definition of digital electronics? Digital electronics refer to electronic circuit that operates using discrete value, particularly binary, facilitating data processing and control. In fitness, this technology underpins everything from wearable devices to sophisticated gym equipments, enabling accurate reading and seamless connectivity. Evolution of fitness technology. The fitness industries has progressed from basic tools to advanced digital solutions such as heart rate monitoring and fitness app. The incorporation of digital electronics has allowed for data sharing, real-time feedbacks and personalized training plans, leading to greater engagement and efficiency in workout. The digital fitness market has experienced significant growth driven by increasing consumer awareness of health and wellness, the widespread adoption of smartphone and connected devices, and a desire for more personalized and flexible fitness solutions. What is the importance of digital electronics in fitness? So, digital electronics are crucial in the fitness sector, providing precision in metrics and enhancing user experience. They enable features like performance tracking, workout analysis, and seamless integration with mobile devices, ensuring user can monitor their fitness journey effectively. Let's have a look at the applications of digital electronics in fitness industries. Firstly, we have wearable technology. Wearable devices like fitness trackers and smartphone utilize digital electronics to monitor vital signs, track activity levels, and provide real-time health feedback. Smartwatches such as those from Apple, Samsung, Fitbit, and Garmin offer a comprehensive suite of features, including activity trainings like steps taken and distance covered, heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, calorie counting, and GPS for tracking outdoor workout. Some advanced model also incorporates sensors for measuring blood oxygen saturation, that is SpO2, and detecting electrocardiogram readings, that is ECG, monitoring stress levels. Fitness trackers like the Fitbit Inspire and Garmin VivoFit primarily focus on these core fitness and health metrics, often with a longer battery life and a more streamlined design compared to the smartwatches. Secondly, we have AR and VR in fitness. Fitness is now no longer confined to those heavy dumbbells and hitting the gym. Virtual reality is changing exercise into an immersive experience. The global VR fitness is ready to reach $59 billion by 2027 because more people are turning to these technologies to improve their workout. Fitness apps are redefining how we stay active by incorporating virtual cycling through scenic landscape and personalized AR training sessions. How is VR used in fitness? So, VR is used in fitness by curating immersive workout environment. They simulate real-world or fantasy experiences. It enriches cardio and strength training and sports by engaging user in interactive exercise. They convert virtual boxing, dancing, and cycling into interesting ventures and make the workout more enjoyable and effective. One of the biggest challenges in maintaining a regular workout routine is boredom. AR and VR resolve this by turning workout into thrilling adventure. User can immerse themselves in virtual environment. They can play with scenic nature trails, outer space, or even underwater world, all this while performing their usual cardio or some strength exercise. The novelty of exploring new worlds or completing interactive challenges keep user entertained. Then we have VR and micro processors and multiplexers. VR devices rely on numerous sensors to measure the motion made by the user and pass them to the VR processor. Among all the sensors, the motion sensor is the most important, detecting the movement and rotation in user's head and hands through accelerometer and gyroscopes. Firstly, we have motion tracking, in which there is accelerometer and gyroscopes and cameras. The firstly accelerometer and gyroscopes. The MEMS sensors are embedded in VR headsets and controllers to detect linear acceleration and angular velocity respectively, allowing the system to map the user's head and hand movement in virtual world. Cameras. VR headset and controller may also include cameras, either inside out or outside in, to track the user's position and movement in the surrounding environment. This is particularly useful for accurate mapping of the user's pose and location. Second, we have position tracking, in which there is optical sensors. Some VR headsets use optical sensors that emit infrared rays to track the position of the user and controllers. Some other sensors are eye tracking and haptic feedback. Firstly, eye tracking. Eye tracking sensors can be detect the user's gaze direction, which can be used for various purposes such as controlling the virtual environment or providing a more immersive experience. Then, haptic feedback. Haptic sensor and actuators are used to provide tactile feedback to the user, simulating the sensation of touch in the virtual world. Lastly, we have sensor fusion software and embedded DSP algorithm. Firstly, sensor fusion software. VR system often use sensor fusion software to combine data from multiple sensors, enhancing the accuracy and reliability of tracking. Embedded DSP algorithm. Embedded DSP algorithms are used to process the sensor data and create a smooth and accurate virtual experience. Then multiplexer. They are used in VR, particularly in the context of VR rendering and transmission. They are also used to optimize bandwidth and improve the quality of VR experience. First, temporal resolution multiplexing. These technique used to efficiently render VR relies on multiplexing. It involves rendering even number frame at lower resolution and odd number frame at higher resolution. These allow for high frame rate and high resolution visuals with a reduced bandwidth. Secondly, spatial multiplexing. In this approach, a gateway transmits data to VR relying devices, which then transmit to other VR devices. Third, virtual environment switching. In VR meeting, multiplexer can be used to switch between different virtual environments, facilitating ideas generation and creativity. In essence, multiplexer are a key component in VR system for managing data, optimizing bandwidth, and improving the overall user experience. Then let's have a look at the component of digital electronics in fitness. First, digitally enhanced cardiovascular equipments. Cardiovascular exercise machines have undergone a significant transformation with the incorporation of digital electronics, leading to enhanced user experience and a more effective workout. Some cardiovascular machines that efficiently uses the digital electronics are treadmills, exercise bike, and rowing machine. These applications of sensor forms correction demonstrates the potential of digital electronics to enhance workout safety and efficiency by guiding users toward proper execution of the exercise. Now, the types of sensors in gym equipments. A diverse range of sensors are employed in smart gym equipments to collect crucial data on both users' performance and operational status of the equipments. Firstly, we have heart rate sensors. Some machines feature built-in hand pulse sensors that interpret electric signals passing through the skin. Force and torque sensors. Load cells and strain gauge are used to measure the force applied by the user during exercise. This data is vital in strength training equipments. Position sensors. These sensors detect the position of various components of exercise equipments such as handles, seats, or pedals. For example, in a rowing machine, they are used to analyze the user's form and track the range of motion. Force plate sensors integrated into treadmill can also sense the user's position and stride characteristics. Lastly, we have environmental sensors. Sensors that measure temperature and humidity can be incorporated into gym equipments or facility environment to aid in climate control and user comfort. Lastly, let's have a look at these. Built by 4 IIT Delhi graduates, Aerolip X is a smart wall-mounted digital home gym equipment that comes with 100 hours of fitness content. This machine is ultra compact at 5 feet height and 2 feet width and 6 inches depth. No dedicated room needed. Redefined home gym space. Aerolip compact gym machine allows you to have the best of both worlds. That is a powerful workout system without the need of a dedicated room. It includes digital weights from 2 kg to 75 kg for home workouts and virtual trainers who guides you throughout every session, making strength training simple and effective. Over 150 exercises can be done using this machine, and every muscle group of one's body can be targeted. Aerolip even secured a deal on Shark Tank India. Here is the photo of the 4 people who invented the Aerolip X machine, and below is the photo of that machine itself. Thank you. I hope you all learned something new from this video.